So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, man. I just been chilling, focused on working. Still doing mine to the car. Don't worry, bro. I just been chilling. Haven't been really too motivated, really. But I mean, I still have been uploading. Still been doing stuff on Instagram, Snapchat. Got my Instagram on my YouTube on Facebook now. So I just been marketing out that way a little bit, but. I come with y'all with a mod today, man. Finally, your boy got some dang Lawrence springs from H&R. I'm going to get back for y'all so I can see them. There I go. Should be a 1.7 drop in the front and a 1.4 drop in the back. I know I got ragged on. I was like, man, I'm gonna leave it alone. But then they was like, oh, you got monster truck status. And I was like, well, fuck it. Fuck y'all. Let's go ahead and do it. But so far I can fit pretty much without this here. Look, pretty much 5 fingers on there, bro. In the back. So I don't know, they were making some sense. And I can fit at least about 4 fingers in the front. So 4 fingers in the back, front, 5 fingers in the front. So it's kind of like, damn, I am pretty much got monster truck status going on here, bro. But so far the car been doing pretty good, man. I haven't had no issues or problems with it. I just got a new battery for it too. Got the front splitter. I messed it up on the steep driveway anyway. So I was like, bro, my car is low. But god damn, what the Lawrence springs gonna do, you know what I'm saying? But I think it'll help with the stance and the ride quality, so I just said forget it and got it. Added the door pieces, added these pieces, painted this part black. I'm getting a new one anyway. It's gonna be like the V2, I think it's called like King Wraps or something like that, V2 one. So I'm buying a new wicker bill just to change it up a little bit. I wanted the duck bill. I ain't trying too much for that, bro. But yeah, I'm on my way to the shop, man. It's gonna be like $450 probably, I think, bro. But then either than that, we'll probably see, bro. I was gonna get something else installed, but other than that, that's pretty much it, bro. And just ignore that too, because you already know that this side was funny and the front side was also funny too, bro. But we're gonna go ahead and get these Lawrence springs handled. Fit at least 4. Like I said, I got 305s in the back right now, bro. So we're gonna see how that looks. I shouldn't rub, because look how much room I got on there, bro. Really, I think I want it to be at least 3 fingers. 3 or 4 fingers in the back, and then maybe like 2 or 3 fingers in the front. Then we should be pretty good on the ride height and the stance that it should give us. But yeah, like I said, car been on point. Like I said, look at it from that side. So yeah, it can go down a little bit more, but it's how we looking. It's looking big and thick, bro. Still breaking people's necks. They asking, what is this? What kind of car is this? Custom wide body Scat pack, bro. So don't worry about nothing. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to give y'all like a little update, man. Like I said, I have been uploading videos. I mean recording videos. I just haven't been uploading videos. But you know, sometimes you feel a little down, don't want to do nothing, bro. And that's just me, honestly, bro. But sometimes it's hard to find that one motivation, but I do love my car, bro. We're going to continue to do some more mods, do small touch-ups to it, bro. Still trying to find some red Scat pack seats or red SRT seats. So I do want some red seats. And I just been fixing little imperfections, finding a way to fix that, bro. Adding the door pieces, adding the black screws to complement the contrast of the white, black, red, you know. Those are my 3 colors. So other than that, I guess I will pick up the phone again when the springs are installed. I see the new stance and see how it drives pretty much. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's nice talking to y'all again, bro. I will continue to keep y'all updated, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all like a little cold start real quick. Cause y'all know, I know y'all haven't heard that in a minute, but like I said, yeah, I got a red key for the Scat. Don't worry. It's Cerberus, bro. Hellhound. So we got the Hell Scat. But I do like it. Oh, and then before I go, man, let me go ahead and I do plan to do a little more performance stuff, not just major like open up the engine performance work, but kind of like new coil packs, probably like a different intake maybe, and just like probably getting the intake ported or something like that, or bigger throttle body, just small stuff like that. Because I really don't want to dive too deep into this engine with stuff that it cannot handle, in all honesty. Because like my other car is a great daily, it chops, it's bad. So like I said before, we're going to go ahead and get y'all a cold start, because I got to go ahead and go to this shop. But y'all have a good day, man. I will catch y'all later. Enjoy the rest of the video. JJLEE squad, it's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video, and the lowering springs are installed, bro. And I gotta say, this bitch is very damn low. I might have to get a new jack. I don't know, bro. But let me go ahead and show you how low we got. Y'all remember I told y'all it was 5 in the back, bro. I can fit, and it's supposed to get lower, they said, barely about 2 in the back. And then right here, I can fit about 3 in the front. Remember, it was 4. So I ain't gonna cap. This baby's low. Look low to the ground, bro. Look how low he to the ground. Then we're look at the splitter too, bro. Look at the splitter too. But anyway, yeah, that's the lowering springs, bro. I'm gonna give y'all before and after, cause look how low that bitch is, bro. We are too deep. We are too deep in the back, bro. That's crazy. I gotta clean my car, but yeah, like I said, it's about 3 fingers. So this bitch is low, bro. This bitch is low, but I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like it low. I don't know if I was gonna like it 100%, bro, with how low it is, cause it's already like touching the ground halfway. But I kind of like it. I'm not gonna cap, y'all. Cause it hit a whole bunch of that. They did say, of course, I'm gonna have to get a dang alignment, so they didn't get to do that. So I was just like, I'll just take it somewhere and do that. But shout out to Motec, bro. I'm actually pretty much happy with the way it looks real quick. You're gonna bend down, look at that. So it's like it's hugged up inside, so that's pretty good, bro. I ain't gonna cap. It's hugged straight inside, bro. Look at that. I like that. That's 10,000 times better than what it previously looked like, bro. But I ain't gonna cap, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and bounce, man. I just want to get y'all before and after. They said, like I said, it's supposed to get lower. Probably in like a few weeks, they're gonna let the spring sit a little bit. But other than that, god dang. Did I rub right here? Okay, nah, that's just the wheel well. I probably gotta cut that sooner or later, bro. For sure, I probably gotta cut this sooner or later. Because if it gets lower, any lower, bro, it's ridiculous. Like, how many fingers am I from the ground, bro? Let me see. 4, okay, we about 5 fingers from the ground. But I'm gonna need a low profile jack for real. But that's it, y'all. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Just want to give y'all another quick little mod thing for y'all, bro. And I guess I will catch y'all later. Give y'all a little cold start, take a few pictures, and I will catch y'all later, bro. Bro, this thing is coming together really good, bro. man.